definitely the last day, but not the end. Toodles! Hi, this is Nikki. I'm gonna miss this college a lot. This college gave me a lot of memories, good memories. I made such good friends. I met such good professors, and it really changed my life and me as a person. Signing off.
I want to say that closing this book on MS is just finally done. Just a heads up, if we cross paths in the future and I look blank, just know that my heart says hi, but my mind says no. Please don't take it personally. I'm still a good person with the memory of a goldfish. And just know that my heart is in the right place and my brain is usually in the different dimension. So the CEO of the Sarcasm is signing off. See you around, hopefully. Stay toxic. I want to say that I really enjoyed doing my masters here. It was really fun, and the people, they were funny. Some of them were funny, and yeah, I'll probably not gonna won't wanna do it again. But I really like it. I mean, I do have complaints. I can't say that I don't have complaints. Well, yeah, that's all.
I just want to say that I'm glad it ended because I'm not gonna miss this 2 years. It was good though, but still, yeah, I'm glad that it ended.
I want to say that these last 2 years have been really good for me. I learned a lot and I had a lot of good and bad experiences. And I can only say that I'm very, very thankful to everyone in the batch. Thankful for all the good and bad experiences. I learned a lot and I hope to be better. I can definitely look back when we started in Sem 1 and then look at myself today and say that I've definitely changed. I wish everyone all the best.
I'm almost like you guys never see me in the class, but we miss you all. Love you guys.
I want to say I had a beautiful experience about this 2 years. Thank you.
It was so fun to come to the college even though I didn't came often, but I'll miss you all. Hey, I'm gonna miss Hislop again. Hey, I wanna say it was an incredible journey after 15 years. Woo! And I'll miss all my beautiful classmates.
Hi, I want to say that I had a lovely time and enjoyed the students almost half of my age. So I had a wonderful time. Thank you so much. Bye.
We survived exams, assignments, and life. Goodbye, college. We'll miss this.
I want to say thank you to everything that has given. It was a hell of a ride, roller coaster, tha sab kuch. But yeah, thank you so much. We'll miss everyone, especially Backbencher Association and Rishika ma'am ke assignments.
I want to say something that is not it's borrowed from Gwen Stacy, Amazing Spider-Man. So, my wish for you is to become people need that. I know it feels like we're saying goodbye, but we're going to carry a piece of each other into everything that we do next to remind us who we are or who we're meant to be. So, all I want to say is I miss you all very much.
So this is to the faculty, this is to the principal, this is to the college, this is to the whole fucking education system. इतना गंदा हमारा सिलेबस रखने के लिए और इतनी स्टूपिड एग्ज़ाम, और स्पेशली उस इंसान को जो हमारे टाइमिंग मैनेज करता था एग्ज़ाम के लिए, उसकी तो घर पे जाके उसकी डाल जाती, ठीक है, बिकॉज आई रियली विश कि ही गोज़ टू हेल, उसको उबले हुए तेल में तला जाए ताकि ही गुड एक्सपीरियंस कि हम क्या एक्सपीरियंस करते हैं। बिकॉज उसकी हमारी माँ को डेट करना था ना, सुबह चूजिए साले, इतने दोपहर को रखा तूने, बट ठीक है, इवेंचुअली इट्स वेरी हैप्पी टू हैव सच पीपल, स्पेशली राइचल भाई इतनी क्रिएटिव बंदी है यार, ही शुड गेट क्रिएटिव, इतना ज़्यादा एफर्ट लगा रही है, एडिट करेगी, मतलब भाई हैट्स ऑफ। एंड फैशन तो माशाल्लाह एकदम बढ़िया फैशन होती है। बाय द वे थैंक, बहुत चूतिया दोस्त मिले मेरे को, सुंदर सुंदर लड़कियाँ देखने मिली है भाई, बाप रे, तनीषा जैसी, राइशल जैसी, साइशा जैसी, दे आर वेरी प्रिटी गर्ल्स, सो या हैप्पी अबाउट इट।
I want to say that I will not miss the college exams because they give very terrible exam centers, as you can see. And I'll really miss this class and Sabha and Rachel and everyone. Obviously, Kamakshi, Mutha, Athar, Kushal, Asit.
2,000 years later.
So yes, almost शाम हो गई है, but yes. I will say I agree. Bye guys. So I just want to say I'm still not ready to leave people. मैं पिछले हफ्ते से खुद को तैयारी कर रही हूँ कि मैं छोड़ पाऊँ अच्छे से बिना रॉयल कॉलेज, बट टू बी ऑनेस्ट नहीं हो रहा है. एंड हाँ, लूँगी there are some people I really want to remember, including 6 names, and I can't take those names here, but those 2 people are very important. According to the college, मैं उस कॉलेज में 5 साल से हूँ, 1 साल विद फ्रेंड्स, 3 साल विदाउट फ्रेंड्स, बट आई एम वेरी वेरी थैंकफुल फॉर साइको गैलेक्सी कि उस इवेंट में मुझे मेरे पुराने छोटे दोस्त वापस मिल गए, कुछ अच्छे दोस्त भी मिल गए, और जिनसे मैंने गेम कभी बात नहीं की थी, आज बहुत अच्छे दोस्त थे. तो साइको गैलेक्सी event, and I'm really thankful for each and every one of them, including some people here, if you can see them. So I really want to thank all of them. I really want to take names, but I can't. Yeah, it's not ending. I am keeping those 6 people for myself, and I will do every effort to keep them. तब तक के लिए
Hi, so I just want to say that I talk with Vijay a lot of y'all, but I just want to say that the little smile that you've exchanged with me is going to be there with me for the entirety of my life. And I'm just really thankful for all of your love, and yeah, all the best.
Hi everyone. Hi Rachel. Thank you for doing this. And I'm glad I did not leave Nashville for my masters. I'm glad I met her. I'm glad I met Rachel. I'm glad for us hanging out for the Taylor Swift 10-minute version. I'm always gonna remember that. Love you guys.
Bye.
I want to say that I am so beyond grateful to have all these amazing people in my life and in my class. And something that I've always felt is that each one of us, every single person from Avinash uncle to Aboli, we all together make this our class. And इन सबसे हमारा क्लास बना है, I feel, and I'm going to miss each and everyone. Bye Aboli. And this was an amazing journey, although I have spent total 7 years in Islop College, so obviously I don't want to see the college anymore, but okay, I don't want to see the college anymore, so this is the last time I'm going to be wearing my ganda sa iCard, and I won't get to wear this iCard again. He made me like
2 people from this batch जिनने 7 साल इस कॉलेज में निकाले, ठीक है, बेशर्मों की तरह अभी तक टिके थे हम लोग इस कॉलेज में,
और अभी भी बोल रहे हैं मज़ा याद तो आएगा.
we have seen 3 farewells, 11th 12th का, bachelor's का, and अब नई
मिला था
masters
कुछ?
का.
मिला?
Not exactly farewell, but ऐसा
Oh,
something.
हाँ.
But this is probably the first farewell जहाँ पे मुझे genuinely थोड़ा सा बुरा लगा, that I will genuinely miss few of the people, and सब ने मुझे कुछ ना कुछ बहुत सिखाया, and that's why I'm very thankful to everyone and thankful to Rachel for this week.
Bye. So in summary, it was a fun experience, and I'm so grateful about it. We're signing off. Bye bye.
1, 2, 3, start.
We just want to say, हमको तो बताओ. We just want to say, बोलो फिर एक बोलते जाओ. We just want to say that we've had the best years of your life. Are you for real? And this marks the end of an era. Yes, सच्ची में. And we begin a new era of being. Yes. All I want to say is these 2 years were stressful yet blissful.
All I want to say is thank you everyone for being so generous and also time was so good. Thank you.
All I want to say is that I had great fun these 2 years, and I will miss you all.
Bye.
Hi. So we want to say that we will miss you all. Yes, we'll miss you.
Bye bye.
What they said. Chalo, bye.
पल तो अब हमें जीने दो ना 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 na 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 na. Give me some sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance. I wanna grow up once again. Give me some sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance. I wanna grow up once again.